I'll take a look at how cute these cottages are, and I'm not coming in the video because I can't shoot and appear in the video at the same time, because when it's a video that has movement, so there's some pretty kind of lake to that side. Wonder if you can see it. It's in the far background, and this is the cottage where we are staying, where my dad is going. And this whole place is called the Jungle Resort, and it is quite beautiful and picturesque. So this is truly beautiful, and we are going back to the room. It's after having the short nice lunch. So this is awesome, people, and there's no internet connectivity here. That's why I can't upload these videos immediately. But yeah, I'm just so grateful to even record these videos. I think it's awesome. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.